स्टूडेंट्स, कैसे हैं आप लोग? होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल. So today I am going to discuss substitution reactions in alkenes. First of all, I would like to thank Archit Jain for asking this question. Now let us understand what is substitution reaction. So substitution, as the name suggests, substitute. That means replacing something. You must have seen in your classes, schools, when some teacher is absent, then some other teacher is coming to take her place. So substituting others is replacing others is substitution, and these periods in your class are known as substitution periods. That means the original things is replaced by some other thing. So likewise, the substitution reaction means replacement of any group or maybe atom. Here the group may be the functional group. Functional groups are the groups which represent the and responsible for particular type of reactions. So substitution or replacement of any group, functional group or atom by another functional group or atom is known as substitution reaction. For example, suppose we have started with alkane. Here H is present, and when we are heating it in the presence of chlorine gas, so this hydrogen will be replaced by Cl atom. H atom is replaced by Cl atom. So here now the place of this H atom is taken by Cl. So this type of reactions are known as substitution reactions. So you have find out the example, but let me explain you in detail. First of all, what are alkanes? Alkanes are the carbon compounds which are saturated. Saturated means all the bonds present in this are single bonds only. And you must have learned that carbon has 4 valencies. That means carbon is tetravalent. And it has the tendency to self-link. That means it can attach to another carbon. So when all the valencies of carbon are either satisfied by carbon or by hydrogen, all valencies, then these type of compounds, carbon compounds which are saturated with single bond and all the valencies are either satisfied by carbon or by hydrogen, then the carbon compounds are known as alkanes. So first member of alkane will be when all the valencies are satisfied with all 4 hydrogen, 1 carbon and 4 hydrogen, that means CH4, and it is known as methane. If one valency is satisfied by the carbon, that means the alkane has 2 carbons, and remaining 3 valency of each carbon will be satisfied by hydrogen. Now it will be alkane with 2 carbon atoms, and it is known as ethene. These are the eth, meth, prop, these are the names for given for particular number of carbon atoms. Now if they have 3 carbons, then the remaining valencies will be satisfied by hydrogen only. So you have to count the number of single bonds 1, 2, 3, 4 for each carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4 for each carbon. 1, 2, 3, 4 for each carbon. Then it is satisfied. Now you can easily write the formula of this C3 and H8. So this is known as propane. 1 carbon methane, 2 carbon ethane, 3 carbon propane, 4 carbon butane, 5 carbon pentane. Like this you can make the whole series. This is the the introduction of alkane. How can you write the formula of alkanes? How can you understand how many carbons? How can you understand how many hydrogens? So how to satisfy the valencies? So this is how you can write the structure of any alkane asked to you. You just have to link the carbons together and then you have to satisfy the remaining valency by the hydrogen. So this you understood. Next is substitution reaction of alkanes as asked. So substitution, in this any one hydrogen can be replaced by chlorine, it may be replaced by fluorine, it may be replaced by OH group, it may be replaced by any other element, atom or group. Then we will say it is a substitution reaction of alkane. So one example I have already given. Another example also we can take bromination. Suppose we are talking about ethane. So this is ethane. This can also be written as C2H6, or to specify the hydrogen you can write it as C2H5H. As here I have written is as RH. Here R is representing this C2H5. So in general we can write an alkane as RH. That means this is the H which is showing, which we are showing for substitution, and R is the alkyl group. Alkyl group is alkane minus 1H. So this is the alkyl group, that means ethyl. And this hydrogen will be replaced when you are heating it in presence of bromine, in presence of sunlight. So initially one of the hydrogen will be replaced, and if you keep on exposing the ethane, other hydrogens can also be replaced. तो यहाँ पे क्या हो गया, फाइनली आपका जो एक H था वो रिप्लेस हो गया Br से, एंड यू हैव गॉट, you can easily name it now because यहाँ पे मैंने बताया है कि C2H5 group is known as ethyl. तो ये हो गया ethyl, और यहाँ पे आपने ब्रोमाइड एक ऐड कर दिया है तो इसका नाम हो गया ethyl bromide. So you have started with ethane and you have ended with ethyl bromide. Further substitution is also possible, और भी जो हाइड्रोजन है वो भी रिप्लेस हो सकते हैं. So this is all about substitution reaction of alkane. I am hopeful that Archit would have understood it now. If any other students have any doubt, please feel free to ask. Hope your concepts are clear now. Thank you so much.